Fact and opinion. Facts are something that can be proved true or false, and an opinion is something that uses a judgment word or an opinion word to get their point across. One thing I tell the students about facts is it can be an incorrect fact, but it is still a fact. Even if it's untrue, it is still a fact. For example, blue whales are 10 feet long. That is incorrect, but it is still a fact because I could go and look that up and prove if that is true or false. Just because it's wrong doesn't make it an opinion. An opinion has to have a judgment word, like blue whales are beautiful. That would be an opinion. So you're going to read this story about a guy that becomes, he's famous for being in college baseball and goes back to his hometown and teaches other people how to play. And then down here, you have to determine if it's going to be a fact or if it's going to be an opinion. Now, you may notice there are only 5 statements, but there are 6 boxes. So 1 box will be left over. So I say, joined his college baseball team. Well, that's a fact from the story, so I'll write it here on the fact side. He joined the Cleveland Spiders. Well, that's a fact, so I'll write it here on the fact side. And you'll do this all the way through number 5. 1 box will be left over. Yes, you have to write the entire sentence inside the box. On the back side, when you get done, it's draw conclusions. And for draw conclusions, you're going to read the story about the Olympic Games and how they were started, the Summer Olympics versus the Winter Olympics, which is kind of cool because of this summer being the Olympics. Then you're going to, what conclusion can you draw about why modern Olympics were started in 1894 versus the actual Greek Olympics before that? And what supports your conclusion? Why did you say that? This is your best guess. What conclusion can you draw about allowing professional athletes? Because before they only allowed amateur athletes, and then after this 1971, they started allowing professional athletes to compete. Why would that be so important to the games? And then why did you pick that? Go ahead and cross off number 5. You don't have to do that. Let me know if you have any questions.